Jason. How you been? It's Captain J Raps. I'm one of your only friends. You know I will be with you until the end, but I made some enemies that you have to amend. They're gonna come after you, then I'll have to defend. Down there you have a lot of stress, we don't have to pretend. I can clearly see that you like Annette, so go listen to therapy session. That's what I recommend. Also, don't listen to those other voices talking a lot in your head. Padlocks, I need to lock 'em up. Padlocks, time to lock it up. Padlocks. Wait, hold up. Come back over here, Jay. Why does your name have rap in it if you can't even rap? I feel like you're gonna be Lil Pump. Start mumbling and get some tats. Yes, I'm a fan of that map. You should go find his map. You'll have a better chance at it than finding my ex-girlfriend's hat. I'm done. Padlocks. Need to lock 'em up. Padlocks. Time to lock it up. Padlocks. 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 I need to lock it up. Padlocks. Time to lock it up. Padlocks. 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 Padlocks.